Hello friends, welcome to our channel Excel to Excellence. In this video, we will learn Excel utility fill. Friends, sometimes we do require to fill cell range with a data in term of number, date, series or a text. At this point, fill option is very much useful and time savvy. This option is available under the home option of Excel ribbon. You can use keyboard shortcut Alt H F I to get this ribbon. This is home tab. Under this, fill option is available. So simply clicking over this, you will find several options like down, right, up, left, series. This kind of options are available in this option, and its keyboard shortcut is Alt H F I. In many of my video, I am suggesting you to learn keyboard shortcuts. Friends, keyboard shortcut is very much time savvy and it also enhance your efficiency. First, we will learn how to fill a data in all possible directions. Say I have written here Ram. Now I want to fill this data in right side. So select the direction, press Alt H F5. Now select R. If I select here, press here R, the data will be copied right to the existing cell. In similar manner, I can copy this data in the down side simply by pressing Alt H F I and D. You can see here data has been copied down to the existing cell location. This action can be done alternatively by using Ctrl T. If you want to copy this data in direction left to the existing cell, you select the range, press Alt H F I L. So you will find copied data in a location left to the existing location. In similar manner, we can copy this data above the location of existing data. Press Alt H F I U. So using this 4 option, we can copy data in all possible 4 directions. Friends, now we will learn how to fill data in a series. Press Alt H F I S. You will find a dialog box. The dialog is provided with several radio buttons. Alternatively, by selecting this radio button, we can change our choice, row or column. The data can be filled in a row or in a column according to our need. We can opt in our copied data. I want to copy a series in a selected range. So I have selected the range. Now press Alt H F I S. So in a linear. So now the radio button is on the linear. So with the help of a step value, we can decide the succeeding date, escalation of the succeeding date. If you want to increase the series with a common difference of 2, so write here 2 and press OK. You will find here a range with a common difference of 2. The same action can be done by defining the terminal data also. Again, now we will try the same operation by defining the terminal value. Now we will carry out this operation by selecting the terminal value. So I have selected this range Alt H F I S. Now I will define here. I want to copy the data in a row, so row is selected. The type of progression is linear and step value is 2. And terminal values or the stop value I want to keep restrict below 26, so I have written here 26. Now press OK. So you can find the similar output we have obtained using the concept of terminal value. This kind of series we can have with a geometrical progression. I have selected this range. Now press Alt H F I S. Alt H F I S. Now select growth option. Define here a growth of 2. So you can find the succeeding value is 2 times that of the preceding value. Again I have written here 1. I have selected here data range, fill up range. Now I press here Alt F5 S, and now I will select here autofill options. Okay. Then you will find here the similar data has been copied in the entire selected range. Now we will try the same output defining the series. So first member of this series is 1 and second is 2. Now I will apply here same function Alt F5S. By selecting autofill, we will have a different result. So friends, when you want to copy a data in a series with the help of autofill, it will be advised you to select at least select at least 2 numbers such that the function can identify the root of this series escalation. Now with the help of same function, we will copy a date. Let's say I have written here 1st April 2020. Selected the range where I want to copy this output, press Alt F5S, and now bring the radio button over the date column. Step value is 1. If I press here OK, I will find here a date series. In same manner we can have a series. So I have selected here the range, press here Alt F5S. Now I changed here radio button to the weekdays. I will press here OK. So you can see here are date values for weekdays that you can justify with the help of formula. Write here text, select the cell for which you want to have the day, within inverted comma you write here triple D, press this parenthesis. You can find here all the weekdays except Saturday and Sunday. The similar series with the escalation of month we can have using the same formula. Press here Alt F5S. Now with the help of radio button, activate month, press OK. You can see here data with the difference of month. In similar manner we can have output with the difference of 1 year. Alt F5S and select here year. Press now OK. We can see the same date with the difference of 1 year. Friends, the same operation you can carry out by changing the option from row to column. I hope you managed to understand the utility of the Microsoft Excel function fill. If you have any suggestion or query, please feel free to comment down in the comment box. If you like the content, please like our video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.